Millions of makers use the SG90 Servo, but have you ever wondered what's actually inside? Today, we're opening one up to see how this tiny servo works. The first thing you'll notice is a stack of plastic gears. These gears reduce speed and increase torque, allowing this tiny motor to move surprisingly heavy loads. At the heart of the servo is a small DC motor. By itself, it's fast, but weak. That's why it needs the gearbox. A small movement from the motor passes through several gears, creating much more torque at the final output shaft. Under the final gear is a potentiometer. It constantly tells the controller the exact position of the output shaft. This tiny circuit board is the brain of the servo. It compares the target position from your Arduino with the actual position from the potentiometer. If the positions don't match, the controller keeps the motor running. Once they match, the motor stops automatically. Everything is back together, and it still works perfectly. Now you know what's inside one of the world's most popular servo motors. Thanks for watching.